promising employment to the villagers. Those KYC documents have been misused.
ಓ ಇದು ಬತ್ತು ತಿಳಿದೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರ 300 ಕೋಟಿ
ಮಾಡಿರೋದು my lord. Power Bank app ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ around 900 accounts were created.
Total amount of scam in this matter is around 331 crores.
In 83.1, there is a predicate offense against the petitioners herein. The issue is that the petitioners are village women in Uttarakhand.
ಆರ್
Village women in Uttarakhand.
ವಿಲೇಜ್ ವಿಮೆನ್
ಹೌದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಳ್ಳಿ.
ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ನೀವೇನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
Yes. So the main accused appearing as NGO workers came forward to the village stating that promising employment to the villagers for payment of 5,000 rupees as salary.
ಈಚ್
ಹೌದು.
ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಗೆಲ್ಲ
ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ they took KYC documents with respect to the petitioners.
All right.
And those KYC documents have been misused. The only allegation in the charge sheet is that the KYC documents of the petitioners have been misused. Adikke avarna accuse ಮಾಡಿದಿವಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರೋದು. The main contention here is that this is a power bank scheme that was established on Power Bank app anta. Allinda around 900 accounts were created, wherein around 300 crores of the money of general public has been misused, taken.
That's the allegation.
Yes, that is the our proceeds of crime has been layered subsequently. So these are just the shell companies.
ನೀವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಗಾ
For the petitioners.
ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಗಾ
Accused. Yes.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ
Yes.
ಇನ್ನೇನಿದೆ?
The only point here is, my lord, section 3 ಮತ್ತೆ section 70 ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ charge sheet file ಆಗಿದೆ. There is a predicate offense indeed, my lord. But under the section 3 there has to be knowledge. There is no knowingly ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಓ ಇದು ಬತ್ತು ತಿಳಿದೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರ 300 ಕೋಟಿ
ಮಾಡಿರೋದು my lord. These are illiterate people who have no knowledge of English language and ಅವರಿಗೆ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾಪಡ್ ಪಿಕಲ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. She is one of the petitioners is a widow who's living with her young child, my lord. That is the issue. ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್
ಓ ನಿಮ್ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ?
Yes, my lord. KYC ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರಿಂದ ಶೆಲ್ ಕಂಪನಿಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ನ ಲೇಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದದು?
The main accused, that is Anas Ahmed ಮತ್ತೆ and so on.
ಓ ನೀವು 52?
Yes, my lord. 53. He is 52. I am 38 and 53.
ಓ ಇಬ್ರಿದೆ. All right.
My lord may recollect Hu Zualin Chinese national case which my lord had rejected. That is the wife of Anas Ahmed, who is accused number 1. This is that Chinese national power bank scam that happened. Adralli namna scapegoat ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Even the ECIR, for a moment it may be looked into, my lord. Page number 33.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಸರ್?
ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಕೋಟಿಗಳ ಮೇಲೆನೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ, but not even a single rupee has come to the present petitioners.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲಿಟರಸಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಏನು ಅಂತ?
ಅಲ್ಲ my lord, ಇಲ್ಲಿ KYC ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಆ ತರ ಕಂಪನಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಾನೂ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
ಅವ್ರ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಏನು ದುಡ್ಡು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ my lord.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೋಟಿ ಗಟ್ಟಲೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ
ಕಂಪನಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬಂದಿರೋದು.
ಓ ಕಂಪನಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಕಂಪನಿ
ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಕಂಪನಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಮೇ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಿ ಲುಕ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ my lord. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, KYC ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. That is the only contention. Just because they are directors of a company, they cannot be brought into the web of crime wherein shell companies are formed in their
ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Yes. They are genuinely village women who have been made scapegoat in this entire web of crime, my lord. Our ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ನಡೆದರೆ it is an
abuse of the process of
the court.
Miscarriage of justice. Yes.
These are the contentions on behalf of the petitioner.
And nimden sir?
My only contention is I am not an accused in the predicate offense.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Proceeding does not stand.
ದುಡ್ಡು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಸರ್?
10,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ.
10,000
ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರ ಕೇಸ್.
ಯಾಮದು? ಮೈಕ್
If I may say,
ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ.
there is a predicate offense which gets registered on the complaint of the company Razorpay.
ಓ Razorpay.
Razorpay. Total amount of scam in this matter is around 331 crores. In that, my lords, there are certain companies which have been formed, shell companies, and those shell companies register on this app, and they have taken the money in the garb of a particular nature, but then they have told the Razorpay that is for another purpose, and they have swindled that money. That complaint has been filed
Oh,
by.
Razor pays the
Yeah,
complaint.
Razor
in
pays the complaint, my lords, if my lords were to see the Razor pay.
For a
complaint-
change, Razor pays
Razor-
complaint. sir. Yes.
Razor pay, my lords. Now, my lords, what has happened is these companies are all layered companies, my lords. And all these persons who are before my lords as petitioners, they are all directors who have signed balance sheets, financials, they are part of the company. Now, my lords, for them to come now and after the cognizance
ಅಯ್ಯ
for them.
ಪಾಪ ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿಟ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್.
my lords,
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
I-
ನೀವ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬೇಜಾರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ?
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, I can't talk with emotions, but then my lords on legality, lordship, my only point is, my lords, there are statements which are admissible in evidence as of now. My lords, let them stand trial. The last thing which they can do, my lords, is they have to stand trial. My lords, this is a very serious offense. My lords, every time, my lords, what has happened is after the cognizance, these people come and say, no, I was not aware of it. But then they were the very same directors of the companies who they have signed the financials. Everything has happened because of them. And there have been crores of rupees which have been swindled, at least these three companies, Westcom and Sachin Maple Leaf and one more company, my lords, where these persons are the directors of the companies.
ಇವ್ರಾ?
Ah.
ಹೆಸರು ಯಾರು ಇಟ್ರು ಈ ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ?
Sachin Maple Leaf Commercial Private Limited.
ಏನ್ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಓಹೋ. ಸಚಿನ್ ಯಾರು?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ತಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಹೆಸರು ಬೇಕೋ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಿವ್ಯ
ಹಂಗೆ.
ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ, ದಿಯಾ ಬಾತಿ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ.
ದಿಯಾ ಭಾರತಿ.
ಸೆವೆರಲ್ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ನ ತುಂಬಾ ಲೇಯರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಸೊ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ದೇ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್, ದೆನ್
ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳಿರೋ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ದೇನೆ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದೇ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್.
that is
Seriously dispute questions of facts.
yes, madam.
Where will I
Indeed,
interfere?
they are all disputed
Then
questions of,
how will I interfere, sir?
So far as-
ನೀವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, there's no predicate offense. I'm not
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ,
accused.
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾಟ್ ನೆಸರಿ ಮನಿ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು.
One submission, only one
120
submission.
ಬಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
120.
120B ಇದೆ.
ಹಾ ಸರಿ.
120 ಹಾಕಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು,
ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
No, my lords, my only thing is,
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
the person who's standing as petitioner, he may not be as accused in the, but then my lords, his
Witness.
company is made an accused first initially, and thereafterwards, my lords, we have made an accused.
The entire complaint they filed. There's no material to demonstrate where did the money come from. They should-
Will come,
in
don't.
so far as- in so far as
No,
predicate-
no.
in so
Anything
far as-
else, sir?
so far as the predicate offense, there should be
Anything else?
only
Yes.
count is
Even
no
in
predicate offense.
annexure J may be taken for a moment, my lord.
ಈ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್?
ಇವಾಗ ಸಮನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ madam.
ಅಷ್ಟ್
On this
then,
petition, my lords, they are stop the,
ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಬ್ರು ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಮೂರು
ನೋಡಿ.
ಜನ ಇದೆ.
ಹಾ?
Three petitioners are there.
ಯಾರು ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ? 52, 53, 38, 52 and 53.
Please.
All dismissed, disposed, reserving liberty to file discharge.